Okay, so this is my bathroom, and as you can see, my shower curtain is closed. It's always closed because it's embarrassing, but it doesn't work. So this is the amount of water that's left in my bathtub right now. It is 11 o'clock on Sunday morning. I took a shower at about 10 o'clock Saturday yesterday, and so it's been 25 hours and it's still not totally drained, which is fun. You'll notice that the water's a little bit blue, and that's because I have to use SOS pads after every shower to clean my bathtub because I dye my hair and a little bit of it comes out, and if I don't clean my bathtub every time because of the standing water, it turns dark and gross and dirty. So it's been, what, 6 months that the bathtub has not been fixed? I think even more. You know, I reported it the first day the maintenance man came, Bobby. To him, I'd reported it, of course, to the landlords months and months prior, and they had never done anything about it. So, gosh, how long has it been? It's almost blown my mind. So, thanks, landlord people, for refusing to fix my tub.